Hi, you guys. Good day, good afternoon, good night, wherever you are. Today, I want to talk to you guys about things that I like to do, and also what I want to talk to you guys about is more about how you could optimize yourself, your body, because I'm a fan of. I like to look at movies and listen to inspiring talks, TED talks, from all those guys, popular guys, and people who inspire. And when I'm finished looking at a movie or I'm listening a TED talk, I'm so pumped up. I'm thinking like, wow, now it's time for me to get out there and let the world know what I know. But that's very normal because growing up as kids, you always you're ready to learn somebody else something that you know. So that's very normal of us. And when I'm thinking about this, then I'm thinking about how can I inspire you guys today. So I'm thinking about how can you optimize your potential. The reason why I'm thinking about that is that sometimes you like to relax, have a wine, have a beer, have a nice time, get out, not really being controlled all the time. But what we need to realize is that in order for us to be to be very brilliant, we need to be very alert. In order for you to be alert, you need to be focused. Not only focused, but you need to be clear of any kind of alcohol or maybe drugs or whatever. You need to be clear of mind. That's what I want to get to. I'm not saying it's right or wrong to do or use what you're using, whatever. But this machine, that means yourself, myself, we are like a machine. We are the machine that drip machines, that make machines. All those technology in the whole world is created by human beings. So we make them. We are the maker of machines. So that's how you need to position yourself. But in order for you to be that person or be somebody who inspire or make something that is work for somebody else, you need to be in control. And being in control is the only time you could like create things. So we are in certain ways creators of the things on earth, human beings, by the way. So therefore, you need to have a good eating habit, good drinking habit. In the sense, be healthy and be focused, and make sure that you are optimizing your potential, your mental capacity. So you could do it in different ways by using good food supplements or training, sports, all this kind of stuff. Well, I like sports as well. I like skating, rollerblading, running and cycling. All these things I do, swimming. I love this kind of stuff, and I love also to optimize myself. Once I saw a movie that's limitless, and the idea of limitless is I love it. It's like we could like upgrade ourselves by using something. Okay, you could do it just simply by focusing and being in a moment. I know, being in a moment where you're clear of everything and you're there as a human being and you're going to create, and you're thinking where you are and creating. So with this short video log, I just want to inspire you to take a moment out, clear yourself. Regardless, you love to drink, you love to do all this other stuff, but just give yourself the moment to progress in a sense that uh, you're mentally balanced, and then you could like create. In order to do that, you saw my movies cooking around, and I promote different things. But my essentially what I'm doing, I'm promoting things that you could take care of your body, your mind, and a combination with that, you could become the person that is going to be in the advanced. stage. So saying all of this, I want to say thank you once more to taking looking at my short movies, short video log. I'll see you guys next time. So I hope you're inspired with this here, and I hope you guys gonna take a chance to click on my link below and inspire yourself and use products and use food that will enable you to become the person to inspire somebody else. With this, I say you have a wonderful day, and you guys take care. I see you in my next video log. Bye bye now. Bye bye.